silver veins in the dirt keep on hoping. Air hums with the whir of steel bird's wings, looking down at the earth and the strange things it brings. Like a ghost in the haze, waterways twist like a map of lost days. Mudflats glisten where the sun meets the grind, a canvas of chaos in the absence of time. Flying over shadows and scars, chasing the light of forgotten stars. The red light ship waits like a beacon of pain, through the mud and the water where nothing remains. Shapes of the earth drawn by reckless hands, a story untold in these wasteland strands. Every twist, every turn, every broken line, a truth half buried in the muck and the brine. Tollesbury calls like a ghost in the haze, waterways twist like a map of lost days. Mudflats glisten where the sun meets the grind, a canvas of chaos in the absence of time. Tollesbury calls like a ghost in the haze, waterways twist on up of lost days. Mudflats glisten where the sun meets the grime, a canvas of chaos in the absence of time. Flying low over shadows and scars, chasing light of forgotten stars. The red light ship waits a beacon of pain, through the mud and the water where nothing remains. Nothing remains. Where nothing remains. Shapes of the earth drawn by reckless hands, chasing the light of forgotten stars. The red light ship waits like a beacon of pain, through the